Good morning. Hope you all are well and expectedly you all are continuing the previous syllabus of Kathak, and there are so many things that I have given you for your practice and you should do it very nicely. So today I will be teaching you poem in Kathak. So isn't it very interesting? Poem in Kathak, but it will be in a different way. You must be reading poem in English, in Hindi. There are many subjects, there are poems. So there are poems in Kathak also, and that is called Kavitya. And that Kavita is based on anything, mostly it is based on God, Goddess and their activities, how beautiful they are, it has been described about them. There are many kind of Kavita. But in the definition, if I say in the definition, it says like that, जब किसी कविता को नाचकर या गाकर दर्शाया जाता है तो कथक नृत्य में उसको कवित्य कहते हैं. There are two different aspects of कवित्य. One is कवितांगी and another is one is कवित्य. कवितांगी, कविता अंग, कविता के अंग जैसे. That means it may be having a addition with Kavita and the bowl of dance. When you'll be able to understand very clearly when I'll read out the bowl. And Kavita is totally Kavita. There won't be any addition of bowl of dance or tabla. So here one Kavita that I have chosen for you, it is of Lord Shiva. As I have told you that the Kavita is mostly based on when it comes on dance, Kathak dance. That means mostly Kavitas are based on God and Goddess. So here I have chosen for you one Kavita that is of Lord Shiva. This is like this. Dha din din da, dha din din da, ta din din da, trak din din da, dha din din da, dha din din da, na din din da, trak din din da. Chandra chapal kar आरती शिव की धे धे कीटा थुन थुन गंगा खलक कर नाचत शंकर त्राम थे त्राम तत्ता एक तत्ता दो तत्ता तीन तत्ता चार तत्ता पांच. So this is a very precisely, very beautifully written. You just listen once more. चंद्र चपल कर आरती शिव की धे धे कीटा थुन थुन गंगा खलक कर नाचत शंकर त्राम थे त्राम तत्ता एक तत्ता दो तत्ता तीन तत्ता चार तत्ता पांच. So this is called Kavitangi. This is added with the various bowls of tabla or dance. So from the very beginning I am reading it out again and explaining the meaning of this Kavitya. The very first line is Chandra chapal kar arati shiva ki. Chandra, I don't think so that I have to tell you what is Chandra. Chandra, the moon, the crescent moon on Shiva's jata. The crescent moon, Chandra chapal kar. Chapal, it's a thundering, it's a lightning. So as it is shining on Shiva's head, on his jata, Chandra chapal kar आरती शिव की, उनके आरती कर रहे हैं. धीरे की टथुन थुन चंद्र चपल कर आरती शिव की धे धे किट थुन थुन गंग खलक कर नाचत शंकर। शंकर कैसे नाच रहे हैं? धे धे किट थुन थुन, धे धे किट थुन थुन। और जब वो नाच रहे तो गंगा उछल के गिरने ही वाले हैं, दैट्स वेरी ऑब्वियस। तो गंगा भी उछल उछल के गिर रहे हैं और वो धे धे किट थुन थुन इस पे वो नाच रहे हैं। धे धे किट थुन थुन गंग खलत कर नाचत शंकर। और कैसे नाच रहे हैं? त्राम थे त्राम, तत्ता एक, तत्ता दो, तत्ता तीन, तत्ता चार, तत्ता धा। So I'll be showing you the bowl here. The bowl, just now I have recited for you. चंद्र चपल कर आरती शिव की, धे धे किट थुन थुन गंगा खलत कर नाचत शंकर। त्राम थे त्राम, तत्ता एक, तत्ता दो, तत्ता तीन, तत्ता चार, तत्ता धा। So now we will be doing the very intricate part of that entire bowl. There are very few steps there and that is a bit tough. So we will be starting with this, with the mudra. This is Chandra, 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 and this way चपल कर, चंद्र चपल कर दिखाना है। चंद्र चंद्र, it is the crescent moon above the head of, on the jata of Shiva, Lord Shiva. So you just show this Chandra chapal kar, Chandra. Only like this, you have to stand like this. Just put your right leg in front and show this Chandra. Chandra, Chandra. Now, like this, Suchi. Chapal kar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Chapal kar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Again, Chandra chapal kar. Done. Arati Shiva ki. So there are few mudras are there. This is Chandra. This is Shiva. As it is, we can show like this, Shiva Linga. So this is called Shiva, Arati Shiva ki. So we can explain Chandra, and this is Chapal Kar, and simply Arati ke liye 1, 2, 3 Shiva ki. And this is the mudra can be used for Shiva, Shiva ki, Shivalinga, Shiva ki. So let's do this much again. Please start. Chandra, just show this Chandra above the sky and it stays on the jata or the above the head of Lord Shiva. Chandra और चपल कर, ऐसे वो चमकते हैं बिजली जैसे। कर, done. Now take a right turn. आरती शिव की. Now do some another steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. धी धी की टा. 1, 2, 3, 4. धी धी की टा. धी धी की टा. थुन थुन. Again. धी धी की टा. थुन थुन. शिव जी डमरू बजाते हैं ना, डमरू. So this way we will be holding the डमरू. Clear? धी धी की ट थुन थुन. Again. धी धी की ट थुन थुन. Clear? धी धी की ट थुन थुन. So just practice this one. एक दो तीन चार एक दो. And the previous one. एक दो तीन एक दो तीन. Before you learn this entire kavita, you just keep practicing this small parts. So when you will be doing this entire kavita, it will be easier for you to perform. Again, 1 2 3 1 2 3. And the expression also. When you are showing a moon, it's a beautiful. So your face should be very happy, and you see the beauty of this thing when it is above the head of Lord Shiva. How does it? You just imagine how beautiful it is. Chandra चपल कर आरती शिव की. धी धी की ट थुन थुन. डन. एक दो तीन चार थुन थुन. डमरू बजाया आपने. थुन थुन. नाउ गंगा कहाँ? शिव जी के जटा पे. तो जटा दिखाने के लिए ऐसे जुड़ा बांधते हैं. कैसे? ऐसे बांधेंगे ना. गंगा खलत कर. गंगा खलत कर. गंगा थे tat. We'll be doing the same. The previously have learned the tatkar. Ta the tat. A the tat. Ta the tat. A the tat. Water is going to fall down on the earth. So Ganga, and it's a wavy movement as it falls down from the jata of Lord Shiva. It's falling down. Ta the tat. A the tat. You just practice. Just hold it here. Jata. Ta the tat. A the tat. Ta the tat. A the tat. Again. Ganga khalat kar. Ganga khalat kar. Again. 3 steps. Ganga khalat kar. Always, whatever the movement I am giving you, you just do it little more so that you get the perfection and you can do it entire beautifully. Again, गंगा खलत कर. जटा भी पकड़ना है और पानी ऐसे नीचे उतारना है. गंगा खलत कर. Done. Ta thei tat. Thei tat. But here ta thei tat, you don't have to do it in a fixed position. So as water flows down, ta thei tat, a thei tat. So you just move to the right direction. Ta thei tat, a thei tat. Then Ganga khalat kar nachat shankar. Ganga khalat kar nachat दोनों हाथ ऐसे nachat shankar. See, 1 2 3 and jump on this hill. nachat shankar. ऐसे नटराज मुद्रा, नटराज भंगिमा में. नटराज, you know, it's another form of Lord Shiva only when he dances, and that time his name is Nataraj. and he is the king of all kind of art, dance, music, instruments, everything. So that is what his name is. Another name is also Nataraj. So that is what, how we will be showing this. Nachat Shankar. This way, kar. You stops here. Again, Ganga Khalat Kar. Ganga Khalat Kar. Nachat Shankar. Now, okay, this much. Now you will be practicing Tram Thei Tram. This is a very little tough. See, Tram, ऐसे you have to stand on your right toe and you have to skid it. This way, थोड़ा सा फिसल देना है पैर को, और इस पे चढ़ना भी है. राइट पे हल्का सा चढ़ना है. Tram Thei, Tram Thei. You practice it 20 times. You have to practice more than that. Otherwise, you will not be able to do it. See, Tram Thei Tram. Tram Thei Tram Thei. So, Tram ka sound exactly it comes from the left leg. Is that clear? Tram का साउंड लेफ्ट लेग से आता है, और उसके लिए हमको राइट लेग पे हल्का चढ़ना पड़ता है और ऐसे पैर को खिसका देना है, ऐसे पैर को स्किड कर देना. त्रम थेई. थेई तो राइट है, जैसे त्रम में करके आने के बाद थेई. सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट सेपरेटली. त्रम थेई Tram Thei Tram Thei Tram Thei Tram Thei Tram Thei Tram Thei. Clear? So just recall back again. Chandra Chandra. She is that Chandra चपल कर. 1 2 3 4. चंद्र चपल कर. पल कर. क्लियर? चंद्र च छोड़ देना है. पल कर. आरती शिव की. You just take care of the footstep right now. Clear? Again, चंद्र च पल कर. आरती शिव की. Now take a left turn. धी धी की ट. थुन थुन. 1 2 3 4. थुन थुन. ता थई थई ता. आ थई थई ता. We'll be lifting, shifting toward right side twice. ता थे ते थत में भी, आ थे ते थे थत में भी. ता थे थे तत. आ थे थे तत. Then tram थे tram. तत तत. 1 तत तत. 2 तत तत. 3 तत तत. 4 तत तत. 5. And for you, it is for you to get it, to do it, count, and if it is easier for you, so I am doing for you in count. 1 2 3. चंद्र च. 1 2 3. च. 1 2 3 4. पल कर. Then I will take a right turn. आरती शिव की. Done. आरती शिव की. Then again left turn. चक्कर लेना है. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. थुन थुन. डमरू. थुन थुन. धी धी की ta, thun thun thun. Now Ganga khalat kar nachat shankar. Clear? Nachat shankar. Then tram thei tram tram tat tat ek tat tat do tat tat तीन tat tat चार tat tat पांच. So till then you learn this much, and by heart the bowl. By heart the bowl. So and practice this separately, the small pieces of movement. Then in the coming video we all will be doing the same kavita again totally, okay, and plus more, anything more. But the thing is that by heart this kavita, and if it is possible you just note down in your copy. If you write down, then it will be easy for you to by heart and to memorize the thing. Is that clear? So again I am telling you, it's a recapitulation what kavita is. Kavita is a poem. As you study, as you read in your English subject, in Hindi, and then it's in Hindi. The same way, kavita can be danced or performed in Kathak also. But it is mostly found that that kavita explains about God and Goddess. So here we have learned today the kavita of or kavitangi of Lord Shiva, where it shows its beauty as it holds the moon on his jata, as the Ganga flows out of his jata, and he is a lord of dance and music. So that everything has been explained and that small kavita. So till then, this is enough for today's class, and I'll be uploading in the next class also the more movements and more kavita. So till then, you keep practicing, be happy, stay safe, stay in home. Bye bye.